Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Brother Imtiaz, you have asked me to let you know which stream, which neutral stream, a neutral moderator I want to use to have a debate with you. So here are my suggestions, and I hope you will accept that because it will benefit not just both of us, it will benefit public because public want to know who is telling the truth. When you go to stream, let's make your stream a neutral stream. And I will tell you how I believe we can make your stream or your streams into a neutral stream. And moderators, when you go to moderators, I think we should have two moderators, one from your side, one from my side. And moderators, only job of moderators will be to make sure that we keep within our time limits, whatever time we decide. Now, to make your stream neutral, here are the suggestions. There be no comments or no decision will be taken or said by the moderators or in that stream during the debate. Then, with regard to time, I suggest, obviously the time will be equal, but I suggest 10 minutes from each side to present the case, and then 3 lots of 5 minutes each, and then 5 minutes at the end to summarize. That will be around 30 minutes from each side. So total will be 1 hour. But if you want to change it, as long as it's equal time, I do not mind. Then, a very important thing, each debater have to show the original reference to the public. Original reference, not just one line, original reference. Then, I'm done. If you want to show the translation after that, it's up to you. But reference has to be original. Then, on that day, in that program, there will be only this debate. There will be no other issue discussed. There will be no other comment discussed before or after debate on that channel. So on that channel, on that day, only this debate will take place. That's it. As I said, there will be no comments from the moderator, from my side or your side in that program. Then I will have the right to upload the debate or use that debate on my channels. We have to, both of us, we must respect each other during debate and we must respect our elders. So when I say anything about your elders, like Mولوی Sanallah, I will say Mولوی Sanallah Sahib. When you talk about Hazrat Mirza Sahib, you will say Mirza Sahib. Then we must stick to the topic. Like this coming debate, you have selected 2 topics.
For example, Mirza Ghulam went to the extent of saying that Isa alayhi salam used to drink alcohol. Mirza Ghulam went to the extent of saying that Isa alayhi salam has inappropriate relationships with the prostitutes. Let me make an announcement. If Ahmadiyya officials, if you are so confident that in these 2, particularly in these 2 allegations of alcohol and prostitutes, Mirza Ghulam is not talking about Isa alayhi salam, if you are confident, I give you an open challenge. Let's have an official debate in which inshallah we will present evidence from the writings of Mirza Ghulam that in these 2 allegations Mirza Ghulam was talking about Prophet Isa alayhi salam.
You and myself must stick to those topics. And we must announce at least 1 week before the date of the debate that which date and at what time the debate will happen on so-and-so channels. So these are my suggestions. I hope you will agree with them. Let's have a debate. So because as I said, public need to know the truth. And I hope I hope this will be a learning curve for your team so that you guys know how to have good debate on a neutral platform so that public can see and watch the truth. I will wait for your response and I hope you will accept these suggestions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.